Welcome to AI Frontiers, the pulse of cs.AI research. In this episode, we explore the latest breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, featuring insights from 57 papers published in the cs.AI category during one action-packed week. From stories of agentic reasoning and fairness to advances in memory and human-AI collaboration, and spotlighting the paper of the day on TX agents' medical reasoning. Join us as we journey across the evolving landscape of AI. Can artificial intelligence outthink the experts? Recently, an AI-powered agent surpassed doctors in creating complex therapeutic plans, not by rote memorization, but through step-by-step transparent reasoning. This marks a pivotal shift. AI is not just supporting, but actively redefining how critical decisions are made in medicine and other high-stakes fields. As machines begin to explain their thinking, the implications for science and society are profound. Prepare to encounter breakthroughs that are reshaping our understanding of what AI can achieve. Why does cs.AI research matter right now? The cs.AI category stands as the central innovation hub within artificial intelligence, powering advancements in diagnostics, robotics, and everyday technology. Today's exploration unpacks key research themes, ranging from agentic reasoning and fairness to collaboration and adaptive memory. The goal is to highlight both the technical progress and the real-world impacts emerging from this body of work, culminating in a focused examination of a paper that is redefining clinical AI. To understand the scope of artificial intelligence research, envision it as a vibrant, interconnected city. Towering skyscrapers represent dominant areas such as deep learning, while smaller homes house niche but vital ideas. The roads connecting them are the algorithms and evaluation methods. Workshops throughout this city host innovation in agentic reasoning, knowledge retrieval, and ethical considerations. Importantly, AI extends beyond code. It represents the ongoing negotiation between human ambition and machine capability. Discoveries from this ecosystem quickly move from theoretical constructs to practical real-world applications. The first major research theme is agentic and multi-agent systems. In this context, agents can be likened to chefs in a busy kitchen, each bringing unique expertise to collaboratively adapt plans. Multi-agent frameworks have been applied to tasks such as trip planning and epidemic response, where independent AI entities negotiate, learn, and sometimes surprise their creators with innovative solutions. For example, agents have been deployed to build emergency plans that adapt dynamically to real-world crises, illustrating the technical concept of multi-agent systems, independent AI entities working together in complex environments. Next, in the realm of trust, safety, and explainability, AI's trustworthiness is paramount, much like selecting the most reliable vendor in a bustling marketplace. Research in this area addresses the challenge of bias in AI detectors, aiming for fairness across all user groups. It has been demonstrated that explainability metrics can be manipulated by strategic baseline choices, complicating the quest for transparency. To counter this, new metrics are being developed to ensure that AI models do not simply provide answers, but also reveal the reasoning behind their decisions. The technical concept of explainable AI focuses on models that explicitly show their reasoning steps, enabling traceability and auditability. Retrieval-augmented generation and knowledge integration form another critical theme. Here, AI models function like chefs with access to infinite cookbooks, able to retrieve up-to-date external knowledge to ground their answers. However, introducing too much information can cause context dilution, diminishing answer quality. Solutions such as seal-rad address this by using targeted content replacement rather than mere expansion, ensuring that AI responses remain focused and relevant. Integration with structured databases further enhances the grounding and reliability of model outputs, balancing the flavor of evidence in generated answers. Several key findings from these 57 papers are particularly impactful. TX Agent, as described by Kofala and colleagues, is an AI agent that outperforms traditional systems in clinical reasoning. The BayID framework, introduced by Basu and collaborators, reveals that AI-generated text detectors may misclassify texts from underrepresented groups, highlighting the need for fairness. Cao and team demonstrate that dynamic AI memory can surpass massive static storage in performance. EpiPlan Agent shows that multi-agent planning can match or exceed human-generated emergency responses. Picard and colleagues introduce a method for fairer explainability by refining attribution baselines. Collectively, these stories underscore the diverse ways AI is making tangible impacts. The focus now turns to the paper of the day, Med-AI, Evaluating TX Agent's Therapeutic Agentic Reasoning in the NeurIPS Cure Bench Competition by Kofala and colleagues. TX Agent was developed specifically for the clinical competition, aiming to deliver therapeutic decisions that are not only safe, but also transparent and auditable. By utilizing real-time biomedical tools and explicit stepwise reasoning, every tool invocation is supervised, ensuring traceable and explainable outcomes. This approach sets new standards for safety and transparency in clinical AI. The architecture behind TX Agent exemplifies transparent AI reasoning. Built on the Llama 3.1-8B language model, fine-tuned for clinical tasks, TX Agent decomposes complex reasoning into explicit, teachable steps. It accesses live biomedical resources, including the FDA Drug API, Open Targets, and Monarch ontologies. Every decision is meticulously documented, making the logic both transparent and auditable. This approach introduces the technical concept of tool-augmented large language models, where models interact with external APIs to enhance answer quality and reliability. TX Agent's impact extends beyond technical performance. The system consistently outperformed general-purpose AI in high-complexity clinical scenarios. Its supervised and explicit tool usage ensures that results are replicable and prioritize patient safety. The team behind TX Agent was recognized for their commitment to transparency and reproducibility, exemplified by their open dissemination of models, methods, and data. Their motivation centers on real-world impact and advancing open science, inspiring future research in agentic, safe, and collaborative AI. Looking ahead, the future of AI can be likened to a symphony, with each function, reasoning, memory, retrieval, safety, and collaboration harmonized for maximum impact. The field is witnessing the rise of tool-augmented intelligence, resulting in richer and more reliable outputs. Dynamic memory systems are enabling agents to learn and adapt continually. Benchmarking frameworks are evolving to better reflect the diversity and complexity of real-world environments. The hopeful analogy positions AI as a conductor, orchestrating coordinated workflows across societies and industries. In conclusion, cs.AI research is fueling advancements across healthcare, logistics, and many other domains. Papers by Kofala et al., Basu et al., and Cao et al. Demonstrate the emergence of adaptive, fair, and transparent AI. However, ongoing work remains vital to address fairness, privacy, and the development of robust benchmarks. Listeners are encouraged to explore these groundbreaking papers, share their insights, and remain engaged in the conversation, shaping the future of artificial intelligence. This synthesis was created using GPT 4.1 for content generation, TTS technology for narration, and supporting images from Google. A human expert reviewed the synthesized content to ensure accuracy, and all referenced works by Kofala et al., Basu et al., and others are cited. While every effort has been made to ensure fidelity, some oversights may persist. It is always advisable to consult the original papers for detailed information. AI tools accelerate content review. but human expertise remains essential. To stay informed about the latest in AI research, subscribe to AI Frontiers. Receive updates on breakthroughs, in-depth analyses, and expert interviews. Feel free to comment with your thoughts and questions to join the ongoing debate. Explore our archives for previous episodes and detailed paper summaries. AI Frontiers is your destination for exploring the edge of intelligent systems.